Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stray to a bright summer day when I kissed you and called you sweetheart? Do the chair in your parlor seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? I wonder if you're lonesome tonight. You know, someone said the world is stage, it needs to play a part. They have been playing in love. She was my sweetheart. I'm Tom Smith. And I love you at first glance. Read your lines cleverly and never missed your cue. Then came Act Two, using the change. You acted strange, and while I never knew, and you lied, you said you loved me, and I have no cause to doubt you. But I'd rather go on hearing your lies than go on living without you. Now the stage is bare, and I'm standing there with emptiness all around. And if you won't come back to me, then they can bring back the curtain down. Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back?